It can be quite, physically challenging to offload a lot of bags on a short space of time because the passenger's always waiting upstairs.
The main thing is to understand the customer's needs, to work through the solution with the customer firsthand, to give them exactly the solution that they require.
What we want to achieve is basically a passenger checks in a bag or a passenger comes in with a bag, we want that bag to go with the passenger. My ideal day would be a staff member also coming into work fit and going home fit.
Before VACULEX, we have major problems with injuries, guys hurting their backs.
Manual handling aids are a really good tool for us to use. Reduces the strain on the body.
What I found with the VACULEX product, especially with this one here, we've got a Terminal 2, it's very easy to use and it's very versatile. The guys like to use it because it's not too complicated. They can pick it up straight from the safety unit and then use it straight away without very minimal training. It's very easy to train out.
We've got 500 systems in airports around the world.
Yes, it works for all types of bags, so soft shrink wrap bags. I've not come across a bag yet where it hasn't worked.
It's very reliable. We don't seem to have any problems with the VACULEX product, and it works every time.
It's generally a straightforward device. It's a good manual handling device, but it has to be made to fit into the environment that we work.
So we have a solution to most applications. We have a standard system lifting 40 kg, and we also have low headroom systems working in extremely low headroom environments. The relationship starts when you actually get to work through the solution with the customer. It's the support after the installation of the product that I think is key.
If we can improve and actually reduce the amount of work a staff member has to do and then inflicts that on his own body by introducing manual handling devices, then it's the way forward.
It doesn't complicate things. It's very straightforward.
There's no restraints on who can and can't use it.
Especially with the VACULEX, it's an easy to use product that's very versatile and can easily be adapted to different types of containers